Hey babe, what do you want for dinner?
Chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani.
Thank you, love. Looks amazing. That's so delicious.
I really like cone.
What do you like about corn?
Cone! 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 It has to do with cone! A big coconut.
This wrap got over 80 million views when I first made it. It got so popular that people all over the world was making it. This Friday, I'm gonna make it live for the first time. I will be at a food festival called Smaka på Trollhättan together with the famous chef Steina. I am so excited and I hope to see you there.
Let me make you a super simple creamy pasta. Butter, shallots, and garlic. Tomato paste. Chili flakes. Caramelize the tomato paste. Heavy cream. Mix. Parmesan. Black pepper and salt. Pasta water, of course. Toss. Look how creamy. Let me know if you'll make this as well.
Buffalo chicken taquitos. These are a hit at any party and they only take 4 ingredients to make. Just get a rotisserie chicken, shred it up and add it to a bowl with 1.5 cups of buffalo sauce. You can use homemade or store-bought. And then season with whatever you'd like. I'm using garlic powder, smoked paprika, and sazon. Mix it together and then fold in 4 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then get some corn tortillas and add them to a plate and cover and cook in the microwave for at least 30 seconds. This will prevent them from crumbling when you roll them. Add your filling to 1/2 and then roll it up nice and firm and seal with a toothpick. Then deep fry on medium heat until golden brown and let them rest on a cooling rack. Remove the toothpicks and serve with a side of blue cheese or ranch dressing. Follow along for more recipes and enjoy.
This dinner is quick, delicious, and you only need to buy 5 things to make it. Start by heating up your ground beef or ground turkey in a skillet and boil a pot of water. Once your water is boiling, you'll add in some tortellini. Cook according to the package. Shred up some mozzarella cheese. I have this linked on my Amazon storefront, mealsandmunchies.com. You'll then season your meat, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and a little bit of crushed red chili flakes. Drain it, add a jar of marinara sauce, and 1 block of cream cheese. Once that's well combined, add in your cooked tortellini. Top this with your mozzarella cheese and bake for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. And follow me for more recipes.
How to cook instant noodles like a pro. Fully cooked noodles. Rinse with water from Mississippi River. Make hard scrambled eggs. Stir-fry luncheon meat till browned. Stir-fry tomato until mushy. Put all the ingredients together. Add all the seasoning packs. Sprinkle cilantro. Well mix it. Done and dusted. Out of this world.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Ow, ow, ow. Show them, girl, yeah. Boom, boom, bow, bow, boom, 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 bow, 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 boom, boom, bow, 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 boom, boom. Ow, grrrr, bow, 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 boom, boom, ah, yeah.